what is a custom tooltip, okay, and how are you going to assign a customized tooltip to your visualization. If you see, for example, by default we have some visualization which comes directly from our Power BI. Okay, if you see this, it is showing you the year as a tooltip for that particular 2011 year where we are hovering our mouse. Okay, let's say we want to have a specialized custom made tooltip for our visualization. So what it can be, I'll just show you in one example. Okay, it can be, for example, you want to show this particular donut chart for every visualization. So what you can do, for example, you can just copy and paste and add a new page over here. I'll show you here, for example. Let me just copy the visualization, copy visual. Instead of this normal tooltip, you want to show a very customized tooltip like this with a pie chart and all right. So just copy this visualization, okay, and go to a blank page. Here in the blank page, you have to assign this page to a normal tooltip kind of page size. All right, you go to page size in the format and just change this to tooltip. So instead of the entire canvas, you get to see a smaller size of your canvas. Okay, and you can just paste your visualization what you have copied. All right, and you want to show this as a tooltip, for example. So it is fairly simple. You just have to assign this into the tooltip size, okay, and you keep this as tooltip on. Okay, let us rename this as tooltip 2, for example, tooltip donut, for example. All right, tooltip is enabled over here. See this, we have to enable this. And let's say, for example, moving back to our visualization, we want to show this particular tooltip for this particular visualization. So what we have to do is like very simple. Okay, go to tooltip, select that visualization in the paint, and you can go to tooltip and you can assign this particular report page. It is not showing up over here. This is a tooltip example which I have already created. Let me just check the settings over here. Oh, okay. So what I did actually, I clicked on that entire canvas. So before pasting it, we have to just assign this over here on the page side. All right. See this? I was trying to click on this visualization and it was not showing up the tooltip over here. You have to click on the blank canvas, okay, tooltip, page information, and tooltip enable. You see this tooltip donut, just enable that and it should show up over here in the drop down box. So click on that particular visualization, go to the paint, okay, and select that particular tooltip, okay. So the moment we add that over here and you just hover your mouse, you see this, on hovering your mouse is going to filter that particular parameter, let's say structure or foundation, okay, or HVAC. If you see that this tooltip is already changing based on the parameters. So hovering on your individual bar of your cluster chart, it's going to show you that customized parameterized tooltip. Okay, so we can just check it out how the progress we are doing based on individual scope of work wise. All right, so that's how we are going to assign a tooltip and enhance our visualization of our Power BI and give the user the ease of use, okay, and the availability of the information through this customized tooltip.